Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Blackview 14-inch portable laptop monitor extender. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
So this one's a little confusing, I'm not going to lie. It says triple screen and it's absolutely not. I know it's not. I don't know why they messed that up. I do actually have a Blackview actual triple screen, which goes on both sides of the computer monitor. However, this is not that, so just a little thrown off by that. Anyway, we'll have instructions on how to utilize this. You'll have your USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and each one comes with some notes, just talking about HDMI if necessary for certain transmissions. This is going to be a USB-C to USB-C charging cable and connection cable, and this is going to be my HDMI to USB-C, and we'll test that out if needed. Obviously, instructions and quick workstation setup is all right here. And then, of course, the most important part is going to be my actual connection. So, showing it to you this way because that's kind of the way it's set up, is to be on the right hand side. I'll peel this off once we get it set up, but literally just trying to show you that this will sit right next to and behind my laptop monitor screen. I'll just hang it on the top here. This will separate around it and connect as needed to connect to the sides. And then we'll just kind of be on the side. Now, there's QR codes and UPCs on the side or on the back that I can't really show. So I'm just going to show you that it does have a stand, which we'll test out and show when we go to it. And that is adjustable for different heights, lengths, comfort levels, stuff like that. So as mentioned, we'll go ahead and connect this to my actual laptop, and we'll take it from there. All right, so this system is simple for me. It's perfect, easy. Obviously, you want to set up your display settings and everything like that, but I've got two dual screens, which is really the main point here, is being able to kind of drag and drop everything into position. The screen quality is really, really good. The setup for me, I'm using a USB-C and the HDMI cables. The HDMI and USB-C, they just go right in the back. There's two different pieces. It's a very, very solid fit here on the top, and on the sides it's snug. If I need to, and I need to push this back any further, there is kind of a little stand to make sure it doesn't go too flat on me, but honestly it's sturdy and adjustable to whatever my screen needs are. So to me, definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review has helped you. Love it, looks great, very clean, picture quality, everything. Showing you just, it's really solid. So worth buying. Hopefully this review helps. Thanks for watching.